So we were talking about fractions, and we said that we have in a fraction the numerator and the denominator. So the numerator, it's the top number, and the denominator, it's the bottom number. And we took an example, and we said that if we have, for example, this cup, this circle, in this circle, how many parts do we have? Let us share it together. In this circle, how many parts do we have?
4.
Four
3
parts.
out of 4.
Yes, so 3 colored parts out of 4. So the 3, it's the numerator because it tells how many colored parts are there.
3 out of 4.
And 4, it's the denominator because it's the total number of parts. Okay, so the numerator it tells how many colored parts, and the denominator tells how many total parts are there. Is everything clear till now?
Yes.
Yes.
Great, let us continue. So
Yes.
fractions less than or equal to or greater than 1. So fractions are equal than 1 when they represent less than the whole amount. If you look at the first circle, we colored the whole circle with yellow. But in the second circle, we only colored one part out of 2. So in the second circle, we colored less than a whole circle. So 1 over 2 is less than a complete colored circle. Also 1 over 4 is less than one complete colored circle. Also 3 out of 4 is less than 1. So we can notice that if the numerator is less than the denominator, then the fraction is less than 1. So here the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 4. So 1 is less than 4, then this whole fraction is less than 1. Also for 3 over 4. Also for 3 over 4. 3, it's less than 4, so the whole fraction will be less than 1. So every time you see the numerator less than the denominator, then the whole fraction is less than 1. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, so fractions that are less than 1, we call them proper fractions, and the numerator is less than the denominator. If we just take an example like 3 over 4. 3 over 4 is less than 1 because the numerator is less than the denominator, and we call it a proper fraction. In the second case, if the fraction is greater than or equal to 1, we call it an improper fraction. And if you still remember, we took an example for greater than 1. If we have, for example...
What's that sound?
Which sound?
Mm.
I don't know. Anyway, so suppose you have a circle, and the circle is divided into 4 parts. Okay, so I have a circle and the circle is divided into 4 parts, and I ask you to color with red 5 parts out of 4. Is this...
You
Draw another circle.
Of course, so this is not gonna happen because here I have only 4 parts. So what I'm going to do is to draw another circle and also divide it into 4 parts, and then circle one more part. In this case, did I get a fraction which is greater than 1 circle? So every time you have a fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator, is greater than the denominator, then the whole fraction is greater than 1.
1.
Is it clear?
Yes.
And in a fraction where the numerator is equal to the denominator, exactly equal to 1, because suppose, for example, you have a circle which is divided into 4 parts, and I ask you to color 4 parts out of 4, so as if I'm asking you to color the whole circle. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
And here you have a lot of examples. Proper fractions and improper fractions. So in the proper fractions, you have a lot of fractions that are the numerator less than the denominator. And in the improper fractions, you'll get a fractions where the numerator is greater than the denominator or even equal. Is it easy?
Yeah.
Yes.
Very easy.
Yeah, let us continue. So, and here we learned how do we name a fraction. So if you look at the first one, here we have 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. So if I have, for
Fifth.
example, 5/7, what do I call this?
Yamido, please, can you move your hands?
Wow.
1/7.
مستني. يلا, how do I name this fraction? I start with the numerator. What do I have in the numerator?
5.
5
Yes, please.
sevenths. So
5
5,
7.
yes, 5 7. Okay?
Yes.
Yalla, let us look at the last slide. Here we have 1/4, 5/6, 1/2, and 7/8. And you can represent them in any diagram you want, using
Yes.
circles, using boxes. Okay?
Using numbers.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
great. Now we are going to start exercises,
Yes.
and I'm going to pick you one by one to answer the questions, okay? We're going to start by question
Yes.
number 1, and I'm going to start by Hassan Mughniye. Hassan, here we have a lot of fractions. You have to tell me the first fraction. Is it a fraction which is less than 1, equal to 1, or greater than 1? 8/17.
Less than 1.
It's less than 1. Very good. So this fraction is a fraction, it's less than 1 because the numerator is less than the denominator. Very good. Yala Ibrahim.
Okay.
Yes.
13/7.
Greater than 1.
Very good. It's greater than 1 because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Very good, Ibrahim. Now I want Mahdi.
Yes, miss.
Yala Mahdi. I have 9/9.
Equal to 1.
Equals to 1. Very good. So 9/9 is equal to 1. And now I want Malak. Yalla,
Yes.
Malak. 27/28.
Less than 1.
Less than 1. Very good, because the numerator is less than the denominator. Very good, Malak. Let us continue with Hussein Mughniye. 98/105.
Less than 1.
Very. It's less than 1 because the numerator is less than the denominator. You will all have a turn, okay?
Yes.
يلا. هلا بدي حسين فتوني.
Yes, miss.
65/65.
Equal to 1.
It's equal to 1. Very good, because the numerator is equal to the denominator. Very good, Hassan. يلا رينا. رينا 104/99.
Greater than 1.
Very good. 104/99 is greater than 1 because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Very good. Selena. Selena.
Jesus.
Selena. Yalla Selena. We have 49/49.
Equal to 1.
Equals to 1. Very good, Selena. So 49/49 is equal to 1. Very good. Ali Tahine.
Yes.
Yalla Ali. 7/6.
Greater than 1.
Greater than 1. Excellent. So is this question clear for everyone?
Yes. Very
Yes.
easy.
Yes. Let us go now for another question. And in question number 2,
Yes.
we need to write 4 fractions less than 1 and having 5 as a numerator. I'm going to start by Hala.
Yes.
What can I do after Hala?
Yalla Hala. You have to give me a fraction which is less than 1 and it has 5 as a numerator.
Okay. 3.
Pay attention. Less than 1. 5 over.
Oh. 5 over. 5.
less than 1.
1.
هلا إذا less than 1 يعني numerator لازم يكون less than the denominator، أصغر من denominator.
Wait.
like for 5 over 6. Why يا
Yeah,
حلا؟
Miss, can I do?
حلا لازم
I
يكون what?
I told you a bigger number. You said no.
You gave me 5 over 4 and you gave me 5 over 5.
No, I said 7.
5 over 7? Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry حلا. Yes, 5 over 7. Of course it's correct. Of course it's correct. Thank you حلا.
Can I do?
مين؟
Yes, has a money.
لا بس بدي أنا أعمل الترن للكل. رشا يلا رشا.
5 over 15.
Very good رشا. 5 over 15. I still need one fraction. مين بعد عنا ما عمل دور؟ هاني.
Yes, miss.
يلا هاني, give me a fraction which is less than 1 and having 5 as a numerator. 5 over
5 over 20.
5 over 20. Very good. Very good, Hani. Just a second. Yeah. Now let us go for the second question. We have question number 3. We have already the name of the fraction and you have to give me the fraction. I'm going to start with the Lana and Muhammad. Bustani. يلا
Miss.
محمد بستاني. Muhammad and Lana, are you hearing me?
15.
يلا. So it's 9 over 15. Very good. يلا again I'm going to start by حسين مغنية.
Yes.
يلا حسين. 13 20ths.
13
over
20.
very good. يلا حلا.
Yes, miss.
3000s. حلا يمكن شوي تلاقيهم صعبين لأنهم بالإنجليش ما هيك؟
Yeah.
اوكي ما خلص never mind about them. أول شي هون حلا طالما ما في تحت THS معناتها هيدا منه fraction. اوكي؟ في عندي 3 1000 شو يعني 1000 يا حلا? How many zeros do you think?
3.
3 zeros. Very good. So this is 3000. برافو حلا. يلا مهدي سرور.
Yes, miss.
15 tenths.
15 and then 10. 15
Very
over
good.
10.
15 over 10. برافو. ملك.
Yes.
15 40ths.
15
Yes.
out of 13.
Out of 40. معلش ملك هيدوري انت لانه بالانجلش اتس اوكي. 40 يعني 40 لو كانت 14 كنا حطينا 14. اوكي حبيبتي. تمام. يلا ابراهيم ماروني.
Yes.
8000s.
8
over 20,000.
1000.
برافو يا ابراهيم. excellent. يلا رينا. 7 7ths. يلا رينا 7 sevenths يعني 7.
7/7.
برافو يا رينا excellent. يلا هلا سيلينا.
3/2.
برافو. 3 halves is 3/2. Excellent يا مس. يلا let us go for the last question now. Question number 4. Okay. هبلش مع علي طحينة. علي, you need to write a fraction equal to 1 and having 85 for denominator. So what do you think this fraction is?
28.
Ali, equal to 1.
85.
Eh?
85.
Over
85.
over 85. Very good, Ali. Ali مروي. علي مروي. يلا علي, I'm waiting for you. يلا علي, I need to put a mark for participation. As you like. Hani? Hani?
Yes, miss.
يلا Hani, 307 for numerator. What's this fraction?
Hmm.
307 over 307. Okay, Hani, so to be equal to 1, the numerator and the denominator should have the same number. Okay? يلا رشا. رشا. رشا يمكن راحت. So كنا we had a turn, right?
Yes.
يلا. Guys, so I'm going to stop
No,
now
I
this.
didn't answer.
مين؟ لانا؟
لا.
يلا لانا.
Yes.
So you have to do the third one, which is 101. Can you give me the fraction? This one, 101 for denominator, and the fraction should be equal to 1. So what do you think?
Mr. What?
101 over 101.
Yes.
لأنه تيكون equal to 1, the numerator and the denominator should have the same number. Okay?
Number.
Yes.
Yes.
So guys, that was everything. And next time, of course, we're going to continue more exercises about the lesson. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye,
Okay.
guys.
Bye.
Bye, miss.
Bye.
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 Bye.